Okay, so I thought to make this video, it's not gonna be that long, it's gonna be kind of quick, but since fall is here and it's getting to the colder months, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys me making some apple cider, homemade apple cider. Now, I meant to post this video last year, but I never got around to doing it, especially just because of life happening. um, But this is really easy and simple to do, especially if you have a crock pot. You can, I think, also use just like a regular pot and put it on your stove, but I think a crock pot is better. What you're gonna need is some apples. Now you can probably put as much apples as you want in it. Um, I, I think I used like 3 maybe. I'm not sure, but I used several apples. I think it's been a while, okay? But I used some apples, like I said, some lemons, um, and then some spices such as like allspice, cinnamon. I think I also added like a little bit of pumpkin spice just because. Clove and yeah. And at this time, I actually want to use what would you call it? Cinnamon sticks, but it was kind of difficult to find them at this time. Also, I'm just now realizing I actually use limes. and but I also used some oranges, as you could probably see in the video or saw in the video. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much all I did. You can make this probably sweeter by adding maybe like some honey or some sugar. Because mine did come out like a little more bitter than I wanted, but it still tasted good. It just needed something to sweeten it. Of course, I added some packs of sugar, but I needed more sugar. But it still came out pretty okay, and it tasted good cold. It tasted like a really good tea that could help kick a cold or flu. um, so yeah, and I let this sit for I think like 3 hours, and basically until the color was faded. And then I packaged them. Um, and with the packaging, I had to buy some mason jars, but I would definitely use the mason jars. And then you're gonna want to also strain it. You'll probably see that in the video, where you're just gonna want to get some cheesecloth and oh yeah, wait, before that happens, I forgot I added a little bit of pomegranate juice into this. Um, which I don't know. I think that's kind of what made it almost tart. But like I said, you're gonna use some cheesecloth and you're gonna basically put the mixture in it, and then you're gonna just wring them out into the jars. I also put some the limes and the oranges, like slices, into the mason jars. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all liked this video. Sorry if I sounded a bit confusing, but I'll see you all later. Bye.